day/night. We had a friend that we worked on his Evo, so he did a few minor things now. We're about to check it out. So, ready to go for a little mini trip?
It's Dyno night, baby.
Are you happy?
Pretty dope people there too.
This thing looks really red on this phone. I like it. So this thing got back put together a few weeks ago, so let's go for a ride. Why'd you close the hood as soon as I got the camera out? This one looks nice in nighttime. Huh? Oh, does it? You actually opened it?
Yeah, so the other day, the alternator wire, just the main power source for the alternator, came loose, so the battery light came on. And, I'm just making sure everything's still tight.
It looks good.
Yo, had half a tank, filled it up with $14
of E85. That and a gallon of diesel to free up the rings.
Yeah.
So,
Tight.
you happy that you got it back on the road?
It's been too long, man. It was down for just about a year.
Like almost exactly to the day the last time.
Yeah.
So, we're on the east side of town. Yeah, just hop all the way to south side of town, right by what was it, Mandalay Bay or something like that.
Yeah, I'll be right by Mandalay Bay.
So,
I-15 Russell.
lady. All right, so let's go. Just step it. You can't see anything. All right, cool. Hi, friends.
Everybody might be awake now.
Yeah, we did. You excited, dude?
Bro.
Today's your day.
Bro. Let's go.
What's up? What's up, man?
Leave it to y'all.
Today's your day, dude.
We on. We on.
Or just I can go right and right again. Dude, I can go on this. Oh, make a left instead. So here it is. We recently did work on it, but now it's time to tune his. Your car looks different from the last time we saw it.
Thanks, man. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. Y'all be chilling with all the speed and shit, alright?
Y'all better catch up with my Prius.
Alright, cool.
What happened?
What?
Is he?
Did you say something?
The cracks! Oh, dude, she's running the fans on, bro. Look at the go. You excited, man?
Man, let's go. It's finally here.
So what'd you guys do like a week or two ago? You guys had the hood open?
2 weeks ago, when you guys came down,
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, man, we did new lines. Well, we did new lines up front.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do new lines probably a couple weeks from now, but we're just gonna get it running.
So if you don't mind me asking, what's done to it since you've owned it? A few things at peace.
Let's see, FB Black. Sent the head down to Arlington. Shout out to Rob 760. The Go-Go Juice. ST cams. Let's see. Beehive. Spring retainers.
And you're on the standalone too as well, right?
Standalone, man.
Yeah.
This is my second one though.
Yeah, your first one was
I tried
bad.
passing smog on AEM. Didn't
Nothing.
work. So Kai was telling me like, yo, get a link ECU, and I was like, bro, if this don't work, I'm gonna be mad.
But now it's enough to get it tuned now, so this is gonna be your first time tuning it since you owned it.
No, this is the second time.
Oh, really?
This is the second time.
Nice.
The first tune was by Apex Powered, which the car was great, but I had a stock intercooler on there, and now I have the 3-inch intercooler.
Yeah.
So definitely looking to make more power, maybe. We'll see.
Little big boy noise. Dude, your quads are huge.
Yeah.
Oh, you won't miss a PSI from that thing. That
we need to be able to see what's going on. Matter of fact,
that looks
let me
really
take this
good.
off for y'all so y'all know how
Look
real
at
it is.
that drip.
This hasn't even came off yet. Matter of fact, can't even get it. I was probably melted on there.
You still got the receipt.
But
You still got the receipt to return it too.
Yeah, you know, if it goes out, it's new.
All right. Hell yeah, dude. Stuffed out. We got to see your car now, mister. Because your car was so black when the last time we saw it.
I know, dude. It's been forever. Now she's at mocha latte, cappuccino brown.
You got to put a Suzuki motor in there too now, like a Suzuki cappuccino.
Dude, all that.
ITBs.
You know ITBs.
The whole
works.
works.
Old Datsun motor. L20 with the 5s, dogly.
There you go.
5-speed, whatever, trans in there. But yeah, his car first, and then
on
mine
yours.
should be a little touch up.
Sounds good. Oh, there you go. Oh, goodness. Go.
Don't matter.
Oh, dude, this thing is beautiful. It's a whole different gender since the last time we saw it because it was
Completely.
So obviously you got a new paint job.
Yes.
And then nice carbon fiber goodies on the sides and stuff.
Yeah, so let's see. Last time you saw it, it was a different wheel setup. I got the Advent TC3s now. 18 by 9.5 plus 25. Got the same tires on it. Got the Achilles 255 35 18s. Obviously the paint, anthracite brown. I actually saw it on a Porsche not too long ago.
And then you wanted it.
I was like, no one has this look. I gotta have it. So did that. Let's see what else.
Internally now?
Internally, it's the same. Still built 2.0.
Just nice little add-ons like the catch can and stuff like that.
Catch can, so now it's a combo. Half catch can, half coolant reservoir tank.
Oh, that's why it's so huge?
That's why it's so big.
Dude, I was wondering why. I'm like...
It was over here,
and
then I just
a little...
switched it over here. So...
I wonder.
Yeah, man.
Did you have the JDM rear bumper before? Or is that new?
I did. So, and now, instead of my beat-up stock fenders, I got the Sabon fenders. We did a nice little
exposure.
Of the carbon fiber.
And here's a little close-up of the little flake. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice, man. And you got AC. That's the best foreign part, dude.
Check that bad boy out.
In the summertime. Look at that. It looks like it's under warranty now,
Man,
dude.
Dude. So the guy's actually he's from here, but he is, I believe he's in South Carolina now, or North Carolina. His name is Alex Schuler. Alex, if you ever see this, thanks, dog. So me and him kind of actually did a little bit of extra R&R because a lot of guys that he sells to have the coil radiators. Me having a CSF, he didn't really have a shroud that kind of hooked up or worked for it. So we were kind of going back and forth, and I was like, look, I can be a guinea pig if you want me to.
Might as well.
You figure out a shroud that fits, and then whoever comes up to you next time, boom, you got it going. So
now you got the single fan that works with the AC,
fan, dude, it's freaking blowing like Hurricane Katrina.
Yeah.
So
and you're mostly freeway by your new home, so it kind of works out for you anyway. So
yeah, man. So in the summer, 118 beaten degrees, she's blowing cold as ice.
Yeah. So but sooner or later, like you said, you need to get a tune. But right now, are you gonna get yours tuned tonight as well?
We'll
see how it goes.
We'll see how it goes. I don't think it's gonna be a complete retune. It's gonna be like a little touch up. I wanted him to touch up my two-step because I felt it was a little low, and then there's a few things I just wanted him to clean up. I took a trip to the mountains and it wasn't acting the way it should.
Yeah, you had a fuel issue. So bad gas.
Yeah, bad gas, dirty filters, dirty injectors. So I got all that stuff cleaned up. But I just want him to have him take a look at it and just go from there.
Yeah, dude, it looks fucking amazing since the last time we saw it. So
appreciate it. Yeah, man, it looked dirty, but it's
cleaner than anything I own. They've been sitting for months.
It's all good though. But yeah, man, I'm finally being able to enjoy the car. I'm glad Bubba's back out here. So
yeah, both of them, dude.
You when you get your...
Eventually, I'm not in a rush. I got 2 Jettas with problems, so I'm trying to get rid of one. So, all right, let's go see the dyno.
These are new spark plugs. Okay. I have my old ones with me just in case. What are the new plugs? The new plugs are 7s. Okay. Check the left. You gap them all down and then you gotta go right. Yes. It's like almost like it's just full breakup of it.
What's going on now, Kai? Still trying to figure out your issue.
See this little blue sensor right here?
Yeah.
It gone.
Reads density, air density. It's never, and I promise you, never been plugged up. Ever.
So you're trying to find your issue so you can try to do it now. You want to explain what happened with yours now since it's no go, at least for today?
So we have some connectors that we need for the fuel. Mm-hmm. We would have tuned today, y'all would have seen a 5. Period. Hands down. Like y'all would have seen big old mushroom.
Well, it's a good thing that happened now, right?
They're going bye-bye.
So that's, at least for tonight, it's already 11:30 our time, so.
Tomorrow,
we ride at dawn.
Don't you got work tomorrow?
Oh, Christmas Eve. We got work. It don't matter.
Regardless, we're gonna be here tomorrow.
The trap is no, just
doot, 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 doot. Doot, doot. All right, guys. Well, a failed night of tuning, but that's how it usually is when coming to tune stuff. You got to check a bunch of stuff.
We bought 2 cars to tune, and neither of them were ready.
And it's midnight now, so, and it's Wednesday, so just really wanted to make a quick video because I mean we both got new jobs. My job's really traveling now, so I'm usually on the road now. You got yours going now. Then of course, same thing with you, working grown-up shit.
I don't really go on the road at Carson City and Vegas.
Yeah, so just wanted to really want making video, so should be coming out more for next month. So at least if I don't make another video by the end of this year, Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas everybody. So next year it's going to be a grind for sure. Do our best to get equipment and stuff so our video quality can be better and more videos up. Last year was a good year for us. This year obviously COVID wasn't the best year for anybody, so we'll make next year better for sure. So until next time, later.